And the tempter came and said to him, if you are God's son,
If you are God's son,
uma indodana kaNkulunkulu,
command these stones to be made loaves of bread.
command these stones to be made loaves of
isho
bread.
kulamatshe ukuthi abe
Meaning,
izinkwa.
make your stomach your God.
Kusho ukuthi yenza isisu sakho
Forget
uNkulunkulu.
about your father.
Khohlwa ngobaba wakho.
Forget about God.
Khohlwa
Worship your stomach
khonza isisu sakho
before you come and worship me.
ngaphambi kokuba udumise mina.
Because when you worship your stomach, it's easy to worship Satan.
Kulula ukuthi umdumise uSathane.
Is it hitting? Ne? When you worship your stomach, it's easy to bow down to Satan.
Kulula ke ukuthi umkhothamele uSathane.
Because already your stomach has interfered with your salvation.
Ngoba vele isisu sakho sesingenelele nensindiso yakho.
Let's go.
Command these stones to be made loaves of bread. Verse 4. But he replied, it has been written, man shall not live and be upheld and sustained by bread alone,
And sustained by bread alone.
Kodwa gcine isinkwa sodwa.
but by every word
But by every word.
Kodwa ngawo wonke amazwi
that comes forth from the mouth of God.
Did he say by every word he's hearing from God?
ushilo ukuthi
By
amazwi
every
aphuma
word that comes from the mouth. I'm not
Wonke amazwi
hearing
aphuma
now.
emlomeni.
I'm
Angizwa.
seeing the word coming to my
Kodwa
mouth.
ngibona izwi
From God's
lisemlomeni
mouth to my
wami.
mouth.
Semlomeni waNkulunkulu
Meaning you are at the
semlomeni wami.
table.
Kusho ukuthi usetafuleni.
God speaking to you.
uNkulunkulu akukhuluma nawe.
I say izindlebeni manje.
Yeah.
You eat from his table. You
Udla
eat
itafuleni
godliness.
lakhe.
You eat his
Udla
righteousness.
uNkulunkulu, udla ukulunga
It
kwakhe.
enters your system
Ungena
It
emathanjeni
enters
wakho.
your soul.
Ungena emphefumulweni wakho.
so that your stomach does not
Ukuze
interfere
isisu sakho singazophazamisa.
with God's righteousness.
Phazamisa
I see
ukulunga
many
kaNkulunkulu.
here. Oh. Ngathi nganilanda. Cho. Ngibona ama events amaningi la.
Izehlakalo
Uthi
eziningi.
omunye udle nini wenzani? Yo. Yazi ngiyanibona. Cho. I will expose you now. Don't worry. Go on.
Uzondalula.
Man shall not live.
Omunye practice ukwata. La yafani moshekile mos. Sengirasile. Then it means every time you fast usasanza ukukwatisa. You understand that? Every time you fasting usasanza njani? Uhlokoloza ngomuntu. Phakama temperature, phakama yonke into mina sengilambile. Ngizaqala kusasa phansi. You're not aware now that your soul
Ukuthi umphefumulo wakho
is heading for trouble
uye enkingeni.
where Satan is.
Lapho uSathane khona.
Your soul is going to Satan
Umphefumulo wakho uya kuSathane.
because now you allowed anger to enter.
Ngoba uvumela into ukuthi
You allow
ingene.
anger to disturb you in doing. Don't worry. If today
If namhlanje
you meet,
Niyahlangana.
don't worry. Tomorrow you won't be able to resist anything.
Sasa
Those
ngikwazi
say now
ukubala lutho.
uzolamba first thing in the morning. Why? You've already fed your body.
so udlisile umzimba
Mawuvuka
wakho.
ekuseni athi ngibambe 2 slide nyana. Mawufika emsebenzini athi ngibambe ikhota. After ikhota athi ngibambe iplate. That's why Apostle Paul
Apostle Paul.
yenzani agreement, don't meet
Yeah, ningahlangani.
until uphele ini fasting. Now because the body ayina discipline phela.
Ayinakulawuleka umzimba.
Usathane uyazi ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi wenze lokho ngizokukhomba kahle. Kunento engiyibonayo ukuthi ngale fasting there's a kind of a demon
Kunale
that has been
demon.
stubborn in your life.
Elibelokhu
Stubborn in your family, stubborn in your finances. Mara le
Mara
demon angela hambe if you mess with your fasting.
Yeah, uma uhlangahlanganisa ukuzila kwakho.
The demon will never leave you
Angeke likushite.
if you tamper with your fasting.
Uma uphazamisa ukuzila kwakho.
Meaning there's a certain demon that is stubborn. There's a certain demon that is
Kunedemoni elinenkani.
this kind can only come out through prayer and fasting. It means there is a variety of demons.
Kuthi
There's
kunezinhlobo
different kinds of demons.
Kuneyinhlobo
Kuna
zamademoni.
lawo ahambiswa fasting.
Yeah.
Kuna lawo angahambiswa fasting.
Yeah.
Now you have to know which kind are you facing.
Iluphi ke lo bhekene nalo.
And if you are facing leli elihamba nge-fasting and you fail ku-fasting, the demon will remain.
Yeah, lizohlala ke demoni.
Ngifuna umsebenzi, ngifuna impilo yami change, mara busy utempara nge-fasting.
Yeah, uyayiphazamisa.
You see how guilty you are now in your faces.
Eish.
Everyone, I've already messed with my job. I've already messed with my business.
Sengimosha ibhizinisi lami.
Because our man temper without the devil stepping in.
Yeah.
The moment you temper, Satan comes in.
Mawuqala nje uhlupho.
You have been unfaithful to your God.
Bowungathembekanga kuNkulunkulu wakho.
Meaning I succeeded
Kusho ukuthi ngiphume.
to make your stomach your God.
Uthi ngenza isisu sakho uNkulunkulu wakho.
Now there's trouble.
Unenkinga ke manje.
Makuphela first thing we expect ukuthi umsindo uye phansi. Boom! Izinkinga ezingaka. You tempered with your fasting.
Phazamise ukuzila
Fasting is
kwakho.
dangerous. You don't temper with it.
Awudlali ngayo.
You
Ingozi.
don't temper with it.
Awumani udlali nje.
It's a
ngayo.
discipline.
Ukulawuleka.
It's a discipline. The moment you fast, you are hungry for God.
Uma uzila ulambile.
You are eating from God.
Udla kuNkulunkulu.
The moment you temper with it, it means you are smart. The moment you fast, you are eating from God.
Uyadla kuNkulunkulu.
Uqala ukuyinsindiso yakho ukuthi kahle kahle wena spiritually
Ukamoya.
ume njani noNkulunkulu. Uyibona ngefasting. Ngeke uhlule abantu basezweni. Abafasta without the Holy Spirit. You have the Holy Spirit, you cannot fast.
Awukwazi nokuzila.
Mele uqala udestroy lo nkulunkulu wakho isisu uqala. That's how you know. The moment you fast, that's why now lo muntu owile nakathi uyafast. Kuba nzima. Udosa kanzima. Yamsindela. You can even become sick.
Ungagula nokugula.
Awuguliswa fasting. Ukuliswa ukuthi the soul is not
Umphefumulo.
eating from God.
Awudli kusuka kuNkulunkulu.
Meaning you've been hearing preachings,
Kusho ukuthi bowuzila.
but your heart has never opened.
Kodwa inhliziyo yakho zange ivuleke.
What is the heart? The heart is the soul.
Inhliziyo
If your heart opens, the soul opens for God.
nomphefumulo uvulekela uNkulunkulu.
The soul opens for God.
Uyavulekela uNkulunkulu.
But if the soul has not yet opened for God,
Usengakamvulekelanga
it means you've been hearing,
uzwa,
but not eating from
Kodwa
God.
ungadli kuNkulunkulu.
Now fasting becomes a trial.
Manje ke ukuzila kwakho kuba yingcinamba.